What's up, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's case study video I have for you is a new one. It's a foundation repair client. Last 30 days results, pretty cool. This one we are running broad match, phrase match, and exact match, so we are using all the match types for this guy, which we normally don't do, but for foundation repair, we really like broad match, and it brings in a lot of leads. So good stuff. You just gotta have to make sure you have to have a huge negative list to weed out any competitor stuff, and then you'll be fine. So before we get into that, let's make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you are new, we drop videos like this every day. If you are a foundation repair company and you want us to clone this template and roll it out to your location to generate leads with Google Ads, just click the link in the description below this video, and if your market is still available, we can talk about getting this campaign rolled out for you. All right, let's get into it. Last 30 days, July 3rd, August 1st. This is foundation repair, and I'll go through all the types of different services they do in a minute. 279 clicks, 12,324 impressions, 2.26% click-through rate. The reason that is so low with so many high impressions is because we are running broad match keywords. Keep that in mind. Average cost per click, $15.09, $4,210 spent in the last 30 days. Their budget's actually $200 a day, Monday through Friday, which is very good for foundation repair, and they're still limited because you can get a ton more traffic. But you can start foundation repair with $100 a day, Monday through Friday, and get some decent results. You don't have to go $200 right off the bat. They've gotten 26 leads at a cost per lead of $161, which is great. I ideally would like this to be down around $100, which we will get down over the next 30 days, but that's a great start. 9.32% conversion rate, which is not the best, but we're running broad match keywords, so you can't have both, right? So it's still not terrible. It's good. Our lead targets are on, our cost per lead target's on, so conversion rate will dial in over time as much as we can while running broad match. But this is a great start. You can tell here, you can see here at Target CPA, we started with a higher CPA, 160, and I think the leads came in at like what, 161. So we'll start whittling that down to 150 and then 140 and get down to 100 eventually without compromising volume. So here's all our ad groups. We got our generic foundation repair, foundation inspection, home foundation repair, foundation piers, slab, contractor, pier and beam, commercial, just crack repair, and then a bunch of geo ad groups, which this guy is outside of Texas, or inside of Texas, sorry, crawl space too. Crawl space everyone wants, but the volume is never really, it's not really there for foundation guys. They all want crawl space encapsulation, but the leads trickling, you're talking just a handful a month I've seen. So I don't know what that's about, but everyone seems to want that. So we go to the keywords, you'll see here all of our stuff we're going after. Everything driving leads over here. Foundation repair services. So all the same things, foundation repair experts, pros, inspection, inspector, repair house foundation, concrete foundation pier. So this is all the stuff our client wants to go after. Slab stuff. Very basic campaign. There's not really much to these foundation campaigns. As I always say in my case study videos, the real magic comes in the landing page where we turn all this cold traffic into calls and leads and form submissions. So this guy is running majority calls he's getting. I think he only got a handful out of those 26 leads. I think it was 26. 26 leads. I think he only got like 4 or 5 contact forms. So these are mostly inbound phone calls, and that's what we want. The phone calls are just an opportunity to on the spot book the job, get a crew out there, do an estimate, and lock the deal down. So that's what we want. But yeah, really basic campaign. Not really much to it. If you go to devices, you'll see here it's a pretty even split of the traffic of where the leads are coming from between desktop computers and cell phones. So we haven't really done too much optimization with this yet because it's only like 30 days we got going. But 16 leads from cell phones, 10 from desktop computers. And desktop's actually cheaper right now, which is interesting. So the next move we'll make is we'll go through the keywords. We'll start trimming off fat, anything that's getting lots of clicks and not converting. We'll start pausing all that stuff, and that will decrease the CPL. And we'll just keep doing that over time until we get to our target CPL. That's really all there is for this campaign. I don't really have much else. A lot of the ads are they're very simple. Have a foundation crumbling, cracked, sinking. Call us today. We can have crews on site in 90 minutes or whatever their hook is, 24 hours. I forget. Everyone's different. But we're just sending traffic that has foundation problems to ads talking about how our client can fix the foundation problems. That goes to a landing page saying to call and get a crew out to your house today to take a look at your foundation issue. And then the jobs get booked. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very simple. Again, if you're going to run broad match keywords, I cannot stress this enough. You have to have a gigantic list of negative keywords. All right, especially all of your local competitors. So this guy's like around McKinney, Texas, and Plano and Garland and stuff. So you got to go all the local. It's a huge pain in the ass to do it, but you got to go through Google Maps and kind of find all the Plano guys and Garland and McKinney that are foundation repair guys and start adding their competitor names to the negative list, because you don't want your ads, if you're running broad match, to show for competitor stuff, because it's just low quality. It's low quality leads, and you don't want it, and the client's just going to be mad at you. So there's no point to do that. That said, again, if you are a foundation repair contractor and you need leads through Google Ads, this is a template. Everything I've just showed you today is a template. We just clone this, swap your information into the ads and the landing page, turn it on, and start letting Google send you leads. There is only availability is 2 clients per market, so fill out the application link in the description of this video and we'll see if your market's taken or not. If not, we can roll this campaign out as fast as 24 hours in Google Ads. Alright guys, I will see you in tomorrow's case study video.